How often do commercial heat pumps need to be serviced? Regular maintenance is essential for keeping your commercial heat pump performing at its best. One reason why regular maintenance is important is to preserve operational efficiency. Over time, heat pumps experience wear and tear, which can affect their functionality. Small issues can turn into major problems if maintenance is ignored, involving costly repairs or, in some cases, a complete system replacement. Also, commercial heat pumps are critical for maintaining a comfortable environment for employees and customers. Productivity and customer satisfaction can be impacted if these systems are ignored, meaning they struggle to provide adequate temperature control. Furthermore, frequent maintenance substantially reduces energy expenditure. As inefficient systems have to work harder, this results in wasted energy and increased costs. By servicing regularly, a more sustainable operation is achieved. There are signs to know that your heat pump may need servicing. One obvious sign is unusual noise, which may indicate mechanical issues that need immediate attention. Grinding or hammering sounds can suggest worn-out components within the system. Ignoring these sounds can lead to more severe problems. Another sign to watch for is sporadic temperatures, as this may signal operational issues where the heat pump cannot maintain a consistent temperature. This could be due to refrigerant leaks or component issues that prevents the system from operating efficiently. Addressing these issues can prevent further complications. Lastly, if your energy bills suddenly spike without an increase in usage, this may indicate underlying issues, as the heat pump is working harder than necessary. Regular inspections can identify and fix these issues before they escalate. Determining how often to service commercial heat pumps is crucial for extending their lifespan and efficiency. Generally, it's recommended to schedule maintenance at least once a year for most commercial heat pump systems. However, frequency may vary depending on specific usage and the manufacturer's suggestions. There may be a need for more frequent inspections for businesses in harsh environments or experiencing extreme weather conditions, as dust, debris, and moisture can significantly affect the heat pump's performance and longevity. In conclusion, regular commercial heat pump maintenance is essential for long-term efficiency and reliability of your heating and cooling systems. Servicing should be carried out at least once a year, with more frequency required in harsher environments, and if signs that your heat pump needs servicing start showing, such as unusual noise or sporadic temperatures. Regular servicing can reduce energy costs and prevent unexpected breakdowns for businesses, while improving indoor air quality, enhance comfort levels, and peace of mind. Ultimately, investing in regular maintenance can protect your investment, enhance the comfort of your space, and contribute to a healthier working environment. To receive the latest information on renewable technologies, legislation, and best practice, sign up to our free newsletter today through our website or by simply scanning the QR code.